In this video, I'll detail how to disable auto join Hotspot on iPhone 12 Pro Max. So if you're using iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro Max, this video is going to walk you through how you can easily disable your iPhone from joining available hotspot automatically. So if you're not on this video, you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing to do here is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, click on WAV file. Now turn on your iPhone WAV file. That is it. Then you want to scroll down a bit, locate auto join hotspot, click on that, and then there are three options available here. The first one is never, ask to join, and automatic. To disable auto join hotspot on your iPhone 12 is click on never. This is going to stop your iPhone from joining any available network or hotspot you've connected to before on your device. Then you can just choose ask to join so that this will prompt you, do you want to join this network or not? Or choose automatic. Automatic will automate the process and it's going to join the available network automatically. So this is risky and I will advise that. So you can either choose ask to join if you want to join any available network that you have connected to before. But to turn off auto join hotspot on iPhone 12 Pro Max, just choose never. And that's it. So this is all you need to do to disable auto join hotspot on your iPhone 12. If you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.